Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to get the Masterwork Chest on your League of Legends. So at first, all you have to do is open your game through the right client. And as you open your game, look at the top for the option store, and as you see it, just click it to view the store page at first. And as you view the store page, again go in the option loot from here and just select it. And as you do that, just scroll this down where you can see the option right here, Masterwork Chest. So just select this. And guys, you need RP coin to buy this Masterwork Chest for yourself. And you can just top up the RP coin and open this Masterwork Chest. So guys, that's how you get the Masterwork Chest on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.